Welcome back to Season 2 of the Hobby Garden, guys. So, I barely got to see my dad tilling the garden, so I'm going to include a few clips for you guys of that happening. Alright, well, there you have it, guys. The garden has been pretty much completely tilled. You do generally want to go lengthways with your garden, as you guys can see behind me, running up and down here, but also the other way as well. We have yet to do that, just haven't really gotten around to doing it, but it is advised to go both ways, lengthways, crossways, whatever. Obviously, if you have a square garden, just go left to right and up and down. But basically, you want to do this as soon as possible in preparation for having the soil loose, just as I showed you guys. And, well, provided you've gone through the 5 steps for preparing for your garden, you will have plants already growing, ready to go into your prepped garden. And again, I'm gonna be posting another video to finish off that list of 5 things that you guys have to do. So I'm a little bit behind on it, but it's just because we've been trying to get the garden done. So anyway, if you guys like this video, just a quick insight to how to till the garden. If you guys have any questions, I know it was really quick just because, I'm kind of dealing with, things being done whenever we have time to do it. So if you guys have any questions about it, or if you guys want me to do a follow-up video or something, I can do that as well. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments and questions down below. Really appreciate that. Plus, I will gladly answer them and help you guys out with your gardens. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing so that you guys get notified when I'm doing more of this stuff. And stay tuned for the next one. I'll catch you guys later.